Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you two different methods to resolve a pin issue in Windows 10 and 11. Whether you have forgotten your pin or receive an error message saying it isn't available, don't worry, I've got you covered. If the first method doesn't work, the second one definitely will. Alright, let's dive right in. Right now, I'm on my Windows 11 device and I'm seeing a message that says pin isn't available. Here's what to do. Press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding it, click on the power icon in the bottom right corner, select Restart, and then click on Restart anyway. You can release the Shift key once you see the Windows logo. Your computer will boot into the advanced options. When you see this screen, click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Command Prompt. Now you need to enter a simple command, so let's type net space user space administrator space / active : yes and hit enter. This command enables the administrator account on your computer. Next, type regedit and hit enter. This will open the registry editor. Click on the H key local machine. From the top menu, click File, then Load Hive. You'll see a new window. Click on this PC on the left side and look for the C drive where the window is installed and double click on it. Open the Windows folder, then System32 and find the config folder. Inside, look for the software file, select it and click on Open. A prompt will appear asking you for a key name. Type msoftware, all lowercase, and click on OK. Now back in the registry editor, you should see the new folder named MS Software. Double click on it, then look for the folder named Microsoft and double click on that as well. Inside, find the folder named Windows Net and double click on it. Next, go to the current version and find the folder named Passwordless. Once you see it, double click on it, then double click on Device. On the right side, look for the key named Device Passwordless Build Version. Double click on it and change its value from 2 to 0 and click on OK. To finish up, go back to the MS Software folder, the one we created. Click on File again and select Unload Hive. Then click Yes to confirm. Then close the registry editor and the command prompt. And now click on Continue. When you reach the login screen, you should see the PIN option now. Enter your PIN, and if all went well, you'll be back on your desktop. If the first method didn't work for you, don't worry, the second method is guaranteed to help. You'll need to create a bootable USB drive using another device. Now, before we get started, you'll need three things: a USB drive with at least 8 GB of free space, the Hiren's ISO image, and a free utility called Rufus to create our bootable USB drive. We'll download the Hiren's ISO image and the Rufus tool from online. Open your browser and let's search for Hiren's boot CD download. Link is down in the descriptions. Click on the first link from the result. Once you're at this page, let's scroll down and click on the link to start downloading the Hiren's bootable ISO. Now this is a big file around 3 GB, so just be patient until it's done. While this is downloading, let's open another tab and search for Rufus. Click on the first link from the result and scroll down and click on the exe file to start downloading it. Once download is complete, open and double click on the rufus.exe file. Next, make sure your USB drive is inserted and it should show up under the device dropdown. Under boot selection, click on the select button and browse to the location where you have downloaded the Hiren's ISO image. Select it and click on Open. Leave everything else as default unless you want to give the volume label a special name. And now click on Start. You'll see this warning message notifying you that all the data on the USB drive will be wiped out. Click on OK to confirm. Once the process is complete, your Hiren's bootable USB drive is ready to use. Now let's say here I'm on my Windows 11 computer and I have forgotten the password or PIN. Plug in the Hiren's bootable USB drive we have created. While holding the Shift key down, click on the power icon and select Restart. And you should see Please Wait screen. Once it loads, you can release the Shift key now. The computer will boot into the Advanced Options screen. Click Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and finally UEFI Firmware Settings. Click Restart again to confirm. This will restart your computer and take you to the BIOS menu that should look similar to this. Look for the boot selection and select the USB drive and hit enter to restart into the Hiren's USB. After booting from the Hiren's bootable USB, you'll see a loading file screen. The USB has been detected and working, so wait patiently until it loads the files. Once loaded, you should see this familiar Windows interface. Now the Hiren's tool has a ton of tools that you could discover and play with, but our focus today is just to use it for the Windows password reset. Now to reset your password, click on the Start menu and let's navigate to Programs, then Security, then Password. Inside the password, you should see 3 different password recovery tools. We'll use the Windows Login Unlocker for this demo. The tool will list all the user's account on this computer. You have the option to either bypass, add a new user, or reset an account. I'm going to select Move VI account, then click on the Reset Unlock button and confirm with OK. The tool will reset the password, so just wait for the process to complete. Once the password reset is successful, click OK to close the tool. Once done, right-click on it again and select Reset PIN Code. Now restart your computer normally without the Hiren's USB. Once restarted, you'll see the Windows login screen. However, this time you won't be asked to enter a password or a PIN. Simply click on the login and you'll be directed to your desktop. Alright, that's all. I hope one of these methods helped you resolve the PIN issue. Let me know in the comments section which method worked for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.